Elevate your holiday celebrations with the Hisense 4-door smart refrigerator. This refrigerator features the VersaTemp Zone, a flexible drawer with its own temperature-controlled environment that sits between the fridge and freezer. You can turn your VersaTemp Zone drawer into the perfect wine cooler or beverage center by following these simple steps. Begin by using the ConnectLife app to set the VersaTemp Zone to the ideal temperature for beverages or wine. 41 degrees Fahrenheit for perfectly chilled champagne and wines, and 33 degrees Fahrenheit for any non-alcoholic beverages. That way your drinks will stay perfectly chilled and won't be watered down by condensation. Impress your guests this holiday season and save yourself the hassle. It's more than just a refrigerator. It's a kitchen appliance that adapts to your needs and lifestyle. Sold exclusively at Lowe's with a 2-year warranty, twice as long as others. Hisense, a better way to entertain.